Alright, so as I said in the last video, this video we're actually going to be displaying some of the stocks to the screen. So we're actually going to do that in our stock app. And first we're going to put the logic in it and all the HTML markup and stuff in the stock app component, but then once we get it working into the screen, we're going to extract that into a new component so you can have things very modular. So to do that, basically that observable, that public read-only observable that we have in our service, we're going to subscribe to that in this component. Stock service from up-a-level stock.service. And basically, the dependency injection in Angular, once you get a hang of it, it's pretty easy. We're going to now say private stock service of type stock service. And basically, in our component here, we're going to have a stock service observable. So we're going to grab observable from our XJS. So we're going to have this. It's going to be of type observable. And again, I'm not going to type these, but in a production app, you should type them. And now basically in the ng-on-init lifecycle hook, we're going to subscribe to that observable. And anytime that it's changed from the service level, it's going to update anywhere that we're subscribed to it. So this dot stock, oh, this is actually not stock service. This is actually stocks. So we're going to say this dot stocks observable stream equals stock service dot stocks. That is all we're going to do. So now basically in that stock service, we have access to that observable stream inside of here. And to start, I'm just going to put them in a table. T-body, TR. Okay, and to do that, we're going to use something called ng4, and it's going to loop over. It's basically ng-repeat, or a way that we're going to loop over values. So one key about this is do not forget this asterisk because it will fail and fail silently. That is not fun to figure out. So we're going to say let stock of stocks, and we're going to use our behavioral subject. And if you remember last time, we did something called, we had this observable stream, and then to get values, we actually subscribed to it. Well, inside of here, because this stocks is in a stream, Angular gives us an async pipe. It basically, it is going to basically subscribe for us in the markup. So then we're going to use these curly strings, which is basically interpolation, and we're going to say stock, and then we're going to pipe this to JSON, something like this. So now every time that we, well, I got an issue. I know there's a way to pipe it like that. Okay, cool. So basically, well, that's a little bit bigger than I thought. Stocks dot, let's actually dig a little deeper into this. So it's stocks dot query dot results dot quote dot we're going to say ask. So this is going to be the price, and we'll put this inside TV. So this is our price, and then we've got our symbol. Let's see here, and we'll grab the name. So then we'll have TD. This is actually, oh frick, name. And we're going to make this a little pretty. And inside of our T table, we're going to do a T head. tr, then th, name, price. So now we should be populating a table. Class. Hopefully this works. Looks good. GOG. Boom. We'll just keep. So basically, now you can see we are basically populating this and making that request. I wonder what other stock symbols there are. 1 second. We'll do that. We'll do a little more testing later. But basically, now in the next video, we're going to extract this into its own component. So instead of having this huge table here, we're going to just have a display stocks component. So stay tuned for the next video where we actually create that component.